I'm Jordan, and you're watching Fixbook. So today I'm going to show you how to replace your spark plugs and plug wires on a Honda Accord. This one is a 99 and it's got a 2.3 4-cylinder in it. Okay guys, so there's not much to this. It's a pretty simple job. What you're going to do is you'll grab onto these guys. It'll pop off. You just pull with your hand. It'll snap right off. And then you'll come over here, you'll grab a hold of this, pull it off, and do one wire at a time. That way you'll make sure you put the wires on exactly where they go. And then once you've got your wire off, you'll take your ratchet and spark plug socket with an extension. It's a 5/8 or like a 17 or a 19 millimeter, and your spark plug socket will have a little rubber boot in there, so it'll catch the spark plug and then pull it up. You want to make sure you do this when the car is not hot, but I think they say to do it while it's warm. That way you don't warp the head or anything. So you'll go ahead and just reach down in here, break it loose, twist them all the way off, and then it'll just pull up right like that. And then when you go to tighten it on there, put the new one in and just snug them on there. Do not over tighten it. If you strip that hole, you're stripping a hole in your cylinder head, and that is bad. So don't do that. But other than that, that pretty much concludes this little process. It's also a good idea on the new ones. Here's what your new one looks like, and these are NGKs and they do not need to be gapped. They come pre-gapped. Put some anti-seize right in the threads there. That way next time you do your spark plug change, it'll come out easy. Also on the end of the boot here, see I've just kind of put some dielectric grease on there. That kind of helps it slide on and snap on, and again when you take it back off for next time, it comes off easier and won't just stick on there. And I do both sides. I did that too. Wait, where is it? There he is. Yeah, you can see right there. So that's pretty much it. So that concludes today's little project. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. If you would just like it, subscribe, and leave comments and stuff like that, that'd be great. Thanks, guys. See y'all next time.